Today we are going to connect the Canon printer to wireless network. I will show 3 ways to set up your Canon printer wirelessly. Right now I have a Canon G4780 mega tank printer. This tutorial will work with many other printers made by Canon. Alright, so the first and the easiest method to connect a printer to a wireless network is the WPS method. For this method, the wireless router must have a WPS button. Press this button to access the setup menu. Alternatively, we can also access it by pressing the settings icon, then selecting printers settings, and then LAN settings. Now from this menu, go to Wi-Fi, then Wi-Fi setup. Now go to the WPS option, hit OK. As the instructions state, we have to press and hold the WPS button on the wireless router and then hit the OK button. Now the printer is connecting to the network and it takes a few seconds. If this method doesn't work for you, then follow the second method. The second method to connect a printer to a wireless network is a manual connection, which is similar to connecting to Wi-Fi on mobile device. Once again, we are on the Wi-Fi setup page. This time, go to the manual connect option. Now, printer will search for the available networks and it will display all the nearby networks. Choose the desired network and enter the password and then hit OK. It will take a few seconds to connect. For the third method, we need a smartphone and a Canon Print app, which I downloaded from Play Store. So open the Wi-Fi setup page and choose the Easy Wireless Connect option and hit the start button. As you can see, it says follow the instructions on your smartphone or computer. Open the Canon Print app on mobile and tap on the search button and it will start searching for the printer. My printer is not in this list, so tap on no and then next. Now it will trying to connect to the printer through Wi-Fi direct, but in my case connect button is not enabled. So I tap on the cancel button and then open the Wi-Fi settings and connect to Canon printer network. Coming back to Canon Print app, now as you can see, it says the printer will be connected to the following wireless router. In my case, it is Net Plus. OK, tap on yes, enter the Wi-Fi password and hit OK. It will take a few seconds to connect. Hopefully, one of these 3 methods helped you set up your Canon printer on wireless network. If you have any queries, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.